Go on, you not give up our family, man. Go on, Rasta. Go on, you not give up our family, man. Every day you do it. Jaja know, yo.
Man, we can't give up, you know. Because right here now, by the sweat of my brow, they say me eat bread. So guess what? Me have to fix it to make it happen.
Same way, same way.
Yes, man, and me hope that others will join in and make we clean up Jamaica and plant it out in a food. Because nothing else now go care we gonna wear brother. No heat and drink.
A real
and
thing, man.
And what else you get out of life?
But what me hear say, boy, nothing go on a radar. Me hear say, nothing them not have nothing down there. I go on.
Well, I don't know because that would have left to the government know and what the government is doing for we. Because this is something we're serious now because we're going into a age in where we have to develop ourselves. You understand? And him himself as the Prime Minister now have to see to it that we can make our own bread. Because otherwise the load we are going to depend on him I got too heavy. If you see to it that me did care of something from down a bush as how me plant and somebody else yard where me a pass I go up get all dinner. You understand what me I try to say? Because I saw the Asian people used to do it, you know. Each one give one. And we used to have good relation. Love get a beaten and everything else gone with it.
Ja. Real facts in a Rasta.
Yeah.
But boy, John, want them to supply everything we want for farming, man. Them for make you have everything, without natural food, you know. Boy, there is no health, you know, brother.
You know, me that like one tractor fit come from Rasta and just come around and plow up land, give man we have land.
A real talk.
Plant food. And then now, the government find something like a cold storage and them can even do the international business from the farm them. But it kind of poor, especially in a St. Mary.
Jaja no. I me hear about. Yes, mostly in a St. Mary. Yeah, boy, and that no nice.
They have any plan for we. Because truly, at one point, St. Mary did go on good. But that was when Michael Manley ruled. I can tell you one thing. If they use back some of those Asian plans, things will better right now.
A real talk, Rasta. Yeah. Well said, Rasta. Big up yourself in a Rasta. Enough respect, man. Go and do your work, man, because Jaja know you never give up.
You can't give up, man. You can't give up.
Go on, Rasta. Go on, you not give up.